Hello there, let's talk today about how to change the Hikvision camera name remotely using the Hik-Connect app. As you can see back there, I have my Hikvision camera already working, right? And here I have the Hikvision camera name. Via web browser, I see the way, and via app, I have the same name here, Hikvision camera. The idea is that if I change it here, it's going to change there as well, because every time I do some changes here on the Hik-Connect app, it changes in the camera itself, right? So to change the name, I just need to come here on the settings. So this three dots, and here there's this setting. And here I can just click and change the name. Let me just remove here camera and just leave Hikvision, for example. And when I hit here and I save it, you see there it changed it already to Hikvision. Okay. So basically it changed it there in the web browser as well. Okay. So that's one way to go. You can change directly here via the software, or you can change there in a web browser as well. Let me just show you in the web browser how you can change it. So you come here into the configuration, and here you have system and different menus, and you come here directly into image and then OSD settings. Okay, sometimes it's hard to find, but it's here on image OSD settings. And then if it's not loading for some reason, sometimes it takes a while to load, especially using here Edge with Internet Explorer mode. And here I have the name of the camera. Okay, so I can display the name here, I can hide the name, I can also change the position here to anywhere I want. And here I can just change, let's say, Hikvision camera, back to Hikvision camera. Let's just put a number here, 01. And when I hit save, it changes there on the live view. Just wait for a while. It's going to load there. And here we go. You have Hikvision camera 01. Okay, so you see it changed it there on the browser, and now here on the software on the Hik-Connect app it's still the same name, right? But I just need to come back here to the live view. If I just close here and open it again, it's going to show here the correct name, because it takes just some time to update, right? But anyway, it changes. Now you see Hikvision camera 01. The name is changed here. So you can either change it here, change it via web browser, and the other option is also change via the NVR. If you have the NVR here, you have a camera connected. You have Hikvision camera 01. You come to configuration. And then here's the same principle. You need to come here to the OSD menu to check it. So you have local menu, system menu. Here on image, you have also OSD settings. And then you can select any camera that you want. I just have one right here. And here you can change the name. Let's say Hike. Just Hike 01. Okay. And I hit save. Then when I come back here to the camera, you see Hike 01, right? Directly into the camera. And also here in the live view, let me just click here so I can see the camera, Hike 01. For the app here, sometimes it takes a while to reload, and sometimes you just need to close the app and open it again. Then it works. You see here, when I click it, Hike 01 now. So it's basically working, right? So that's the way you can change the Hikvision camera name using your remote app, your Hik-Connect, or also using the web browser for the camera or for the NVR, right? I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.